Corey from Team Night Stalkers here. We are here today at Markoff's Haunted Forest. This attraction offers 2 different attractions, one being the Haunted Forest. The other attraction is called the Town. In the town, they're allowed to touch you as well. Let's go get some scares.
Enter the trail and beware.
That's pretty awesome. Oh, it's real. Oh, man. Who's there? I'm coming. Oh, shit. Hello. This is pretty cool. Oh. Hello. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Big spider. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, this is pretty cool. I can't see. Oh. Oh, okay. That's creepy as hell. These pumpkins are awesome looking. I don't know what's real and what's fake. Oh, okay. Yep, he's real. Oh, we're at the circus. This is creepy looking. Yep, the laughs scare me a little bit. Oh. All right, that's very. Holy shit. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, that's. I can't. Oh shit, man. He's tall. What's real in here? Okay, 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 okay. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Oh, shit. I'm getting out. Oh, shit, man.
Rise, my lord!
I'm not rising.
Oh, these sinners! These heretics, you rat!
Oh my God. He scared the shit out of me. Okay, okay.
I thought I smelled swamp meat over here.
Yeah, I am not.
He says, you gonna die, you gonna die, you gonna die.
Are you sure it's gonna be me? Oh, shit.
Good evening.
Good evening.
The spirits will have a message for you.
What's that?
Come closer, come closer.
What?
They said, watch your head.
Hello.
Sister.
Oh, okay.
Visitors.
Yeah, we do have visitors. I'm here. Do you have anything to eat? Okay. I don't want that. I don't
Stand
want
in a
that.
circle.
Huh?
Stay there while I cast my evil spell on you.
Okay.
Beluga Sabruga can winds of the Caspian Sea. Laryngitis, nasopharyngitis. La Voce to me.
All right, I don't like it.
Oh, you'll see what I did to you.
Okay. Oh, God. Holy shit. This is amazing. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, holy hell. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. Are we moving? I don't like it. Okay. I don't like you. Oh man. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, hello. I'm gonna need a breather. Jesus Christ. I can't. Oh. Oh God. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Oh my God, there's a freaking boat we're walking on? Oh, we're actually, okay, hello. We're actually on water. Oh. Okay. Oh, this is like a rocky bridge on the water. This is weird. This is awesome. No, we're going into like a graveyard or something big. Something huge. Okay. Nope. No. What did I kill? A pterodactyl. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm not gonna mess with you anymore. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. What is this? Like a T-Rex or something? Okay. I'm sorry for talking about your pet that's dead. Oh my God. Oh. I don't like this. Oh my. Okay. Oh my God. I think this is the most I ever gotten scared. Oh my goodness. I guess we're going into the alien ship. This is awesome. I don't like it. Okay. Oh, okay. Nope, I'm out. Whoa, okay. All right. All right, this is awesome. Oh man, this is awesome. Oh, even the mannequins are head bumping. I love it. Look at them. Oh man, that is awesome. All right, well, we just exited the forest. This was super intense. Now off to the town. Let's go get some scares over there.
Welcome to town.
Ow. Okay. Okay.
You want to be friends?
I do not want to be your friend.
I want to have a friend.
Oh, man.
You want to have a friend?
No.
Welcome.
Hello.
There's no salvation in the town.
Oh, shit.
Well, you ain't from around here.
Oh, no, I'm not.
And what's got you so twitchy?
I don't know, the way you look, I guess.
You don't like the way I look?
I love the eye, but
Oh, is that right? You
I don't
want
like-
one to match?
yeah,
We can make that happen.
we could look the same.
Gonna buy something? Hurry up! Pick it out! Stop wasting my time! Put your money on the counter! Touch the rack! Touch it! Good job!
I don't like rats.
Do you not have a soul for me?
Nope,
Where is your soul for Mother Cable?
it's nowhere. Okay, I can't.
You're going to kill me too.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, she's quiet. She's real quiet.
Oh yeah, what about you? You want a coffin?
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Why not?
I want to live for a little bit
Oh,
longer.
you're gonna need it eventually. It's an investment.
Oh, come on. Damn. Oh, this is pretty awesome.
We're all doing it. Enjoy yourselves, have fun. See all my wares.
Oh, I don't like that. I hate snakes.
How about you, friend? I'll be with you.
Oh, man.
I want to go home, please. No, it's going to kill me.
You don't want to miss this.
Oh, man.
Let's carve this one up first.
No, I do
Let's
not.
get on your bones.
No, I do not want to be carved up. Hey, I'll be some bad bacon.
Oh no, you're not
Oh,
leaving me
man.
alive. Honey, we're getting out of here.
It's for my stew.
She's a bad cook. Real bad cook.
Help her. Help her.
Nope. Oh, this is awesome. I don't know what the doctor's going to inject me with, but I guess I'm going to have to take it at this point. All right. What's so funny? What's so funny? What's so funny? Oh, man, it feels like I'm in a real mine.
Go. It's mine.
Okay.
You ain't taking it.
Oh, okay. Holy sh**.
Smell it.
Yeah, I know. I don't smell great. Oh. Hello.
Welcome. My name is Madam Top Heavy. Welcome to the bordello in town.
Yep. I don't want no
Glad
part.
to have you here. This is a place of an adult nature.
I don't want no parts. Oh, hello.
Come on in. You seem to be a little bit young for this.
Please come back another day because this is not how it's usually done in here.
You got no money, I'm shaking everybody down here.
I got no money. I got no money for you.
Crazy.